Today we have with us Ben Schroeder, who is a senior director with Danfoss,
Yes.
and we are very happy to have him here. And I would just like to know how Ben really started thinking about Six Sigma and how he came to know about Benchmark Six Sigma. But before that, he may like to tell briefly about himself and his company.
Yes. Thank you very much, VK. As you say, my name is Ben Schroeder. I'm with Danfoss, and Danfoss is a global company, but we are based. The headquarters is in Denmark, where I am also based. My team is global. I'm looking after supply chain within Danfoss, and I have a global team and part of my team here in India. So we were talking about improvements. We are always chasing improvements in our company, and thereby, of course, Six Sigma is a program that we knew about for some time. And at a visit here in India, I was discussing it with my team in India that this is something we might do something about, and we were simply Googling the possibilities and came across Benchmark Six Sigma, and it seemed like a good opportunity because of the first of all, what we went for was the international recognition of the certificate. That is obviously very important, but also that after we came across the name and start asking around it seemed like it was quite well recognized also at least in India from the team's point of view here. So we started by sending one of the team members from the Indian team on the program, and he had good experiences. So I thought, why not? I will do it myself also, and then eventually we will move to have more black belt Six Sigmas within my organization, so that we have an environment of Six Sigma internally.
Right. So Ben, now that you have undergone green belt and most of the black belt is also completed,
Yeah.
what kind of applications you visualize in your company and in your operations?
Well, in supply chain, we are chasing delivery service performance to our customers. We've been doing that for many years, in fact, and we come quite far by improving the delivered service, the service level to our customers. Yet we have of course been looking after at the same time that we also improve our level of inventories and also our cost to serve. And these three factors are contradictory in fact, so it's easy to improve one of them if you cannot or if you don't need to look after the other. But the trick, the difficulty comes in improving all three of them at the same time. And as we have improved and we are coming closer to a very good level of delivery service, 90, 95 and beyond, I think, or what we experience is that improvements become harder and more tough to get, and thereby we need some more advanced tools and some more systematic methodology to go about it. And I think that's where Six Sigma comes in, and specifically the black belt Six Sigma methodology comes in because here, first of all, we get the methodology of carrying out an improvement project from begin to end, so to say, where we are looking at, first of all, which thing to improve. There's a methodology, a very good methodology around selecting which areas to improve. Then the tools, which are quite advanced. I think we haven't really been using tools like this before, so I'm really looking forward to see what they can do for us in real life. And then eventually also looking at the improvement itself and the way to sustain and maintain the improvement after it's done with with the controlling. So I think I have high expectations for what we can do with this. And I think the main thing is that we need to get a critical mass of people who knows about this in the organization and who have been trained, so that we can interact with each other and work on the project. I don't think it would work with only one or two.
Yes, absolutely. So in terms of the techniques, if you look at the FMEAs and the hypothesis tests and design of experiments and the control methods like the Buka-Yoke or the control charting, are you looking at using some of these techniques for specific problems, or are you thinking of taking complete projects like in a DMAIC roadmap?
I am more thinking of taking complete projects, because I think it is important that we start with the beginning of it, so to say, to really look at what is our goal, which obviously is to improve the service to our customers, and then go through the systematic breakdown of which areas to improve, and then go from there and see which of the techniques are applicable. But I expect that both the design of experiments and also the hypothesis testing will be important parts of this, where we can use the techniques in the improvement projects.
So do you visualize use of DMAIC more often, or the use of DMADV? DMADV, which means a complete process reengineering.
Yeah, I visualize DMAIC used more often here, because I mean we're not really looking at re-engineering the way we're doing, at least not for the time being. What we're looking at is achieving a continuous improvement level on our performance.
Okay, so Bent, it seems that you come to India for specific projects. Right now you are here for some specific assignment. You're looking for some new plant being put up here. So how has your experience been in India, and how was your expectation met in these training programs?
My experience has in fact been very good with the program itself. To be honest, I enrolled in the program and I didn't really know what to expect, but I was very positively surprised by the way it was done, and that goes both for the Green Belt program and also for the Black Belt program specifically. What I like very much is the way the training is being done on the weekends. It's highly interactive. The trainers are very, very skilled in the material that they are training, and I like that the programs is put in place on weekends. That gives us the opportunity to have a normal working day beside doing the training. It's very good, and the way the training is built on small competitions, and that really motivates the participation throughout the program, and I think also increases the learning experience very much. The material itself is very good, very well thought through and very well prepared. So overall, I think the whole program is by very, very high standards.
Thank you for your words, Bent, and we have been impressed by your commitment and participation levels too, and we look forward to interacting many times more with you on Six Sigma assignments.
Yes, thank you very much also, VK. I look forward to do the same.